Welcome to a quick guide on showing your WhatsApp status to specific contacts on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you want to control who can see your status, start by opening WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and your chats load properly. You'll find the path you need in a few easy taps, so no extra apps or extensions are required. First, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of WhatsApp Web. This is the gateway to your settings. Click it to open a concise menu with the options you'll use to customize your experience. From here, you'll navigate to your privacy controls without any fuss. Inside Settings, locate and select Privacy. This section holds the most sensitive choices about who can view your information, including your status updates. Click Privacy to reveal the status options, where you'll find the new control that lets you tailor visibility. In the status section, you'll see the default choice that shares your updates with everyone. To limit visibility, choose Only Share With. This option narrows your audience to a chosen list rather than the entire contact base. It's a simple toggle that grants you precise control over who gets to see your moments. Now comes the step you've been waiting for. Select the contacts you want to include. Scroll through your list of saved chats and tap the names of the people you want to grant status access to. You can pick as many as you need. Once you've made your selections, confirm the choice. Your updates will only be visible to those you've included and hidden from all others not on the list. If you ever want to adjust again, simply return to Settings Privacy Status and update your Only Share With list. The changes take effect immediately, so you can refine visibility in real time as your circles evolve. That's all there is to it. With this update, managing who sees your WhatsApp Web status on PC becomes a breeze, giving you more control over your online moments and your privacy. If you found this helpful, try it out and see how quickly your sharing preferences align with your comfort level.